Matapos ngang ilabas ng SB19 ang lyrics ng kanilang single na Visa, inaantay naman na ngayon ng mga netizen ang nasabing music video. Pero ano nga ba ang masisay ng mga fans, especially may mga Muslim fans or mga taga-Malaysia ang nagkomento about dito. But anyway, narito po ang say ng mga fans or netizen. Wa-epek pa rin kahit anong gawin. Iyan ang isa sa madidinig na lyrics sa kanta. Kaya say ng mga netizen, sobrang SB19 coded. The lyrics, how I understood this, is global validation needed before you very own recognize you. Pero kahit na ganon, it is not enough despite the success and talent. Hilahan din pababa. If I am not reading on it too much, pati yung old school just touch sa arrangement, just music kasi historically is known for resistance against discrimination. Very intentional if ganon. Nakailang repeat na ako, angas talaga SB19, always making a statement, Noy Pinoy 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 Piyi. Edit. If I am guessing it right, yung mga names that I heard from Pablo would be Manny Jacinto, Olivia Rodrigo, Bruno Mars, Nico Santos, and Jokoy Jose, big Pinoy names na ganyan. Say ng isa, this slaps, a new flavor for me. This sounds kinda new to people's ears. I don't think I've heard something like this before. The thing about SB19 songs, only them can sing the way they sing them. No one can replicate or cover. Agree ang isang fan at aniya through kahit kantahin pa ng ibang artist, kahit sobrang galing din na artist, no offense, pero hindi talaga nila makuha kung paano kinakanta ng SB19 na mga songs nila. Naririnig ko na sila Marco Rudio, Kyle and Darren mag-cover ng songs nila pero wala talaga, hindi nila kayang i-execute na kapantay ng SB. I think kaya sikat ang SB dahil doon. Anyway, narito pa ang naging say ng ilan pang fans. This sound is really something special. It's packed with quirky, unexpected elements that feel like they're venturing into fresh sonic territory. Yet everything comes together seamlessly into a unified whole. The unconventional texture, playful rhythms, or upbeat melodic choices might stand out on their own, but they're woven together so thoughtfully that the entire piece feels intentional and complete. Never chaotic or disjointed. It's the kind of work that shows how exploration and creativity can go hand in hand with strong musical cohesion. The arrangement is absolutely incredible. True to form, they aren't afraid to push boundaries and stay true to themselves. Exactly what I thought. It's almost inspired by some Dadaist elements. It's so dynamic and creative. They're literally adding noises, yet it works together and is cohesive, especially for pop music, like a mishmash of genre and random sounds that just work well together in the end. Yeah, it feels like you're in our streets and have the chaotic energy with you when you have your daily commute. Love to have this when you are commuting, making it fun, baka mapasayaw pa. Muli, nagpakita ng kani-kaniyang galing sa boses sa talento ang SB19 sa kantang Visa. Well, ano sa inyo about dito sa mga nakarinig na? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section dahil yan po ay mahalaga sa amin. Malay nyo po isa ang komento nyo sa mailagay natin sa ating susunod na video. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.